Take a ride in the 2022 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.